Welcome back to MilesWeb channel. If you don't want to miss out on any of our videos, make sure you click the subscribe button. How to add an admin user to the WordPress database from phpMyAdmin. Log in to cPanel, navigate to Databases section and click on phpMyAdmin. Choose your database. It might be possible that you have multiple databases in your phpMyAdmin. So, to find the appropriate database name, just follow these steps. On the cPanel dashboard, click on File Manager. Go to public_HTML folder and click on WP. On the right side, you will get Files and Folders. In that, right-click on wp-config.php file and click on View option. In this section, you will see the database name. Now, go back to phpMyAdmin and click on database name _ users table. In our case, database table name is this. Click on Insert. Fill the required information in the mentioned fields. In the user_pass dropdown, select MD5. Click on Go. Click on database name _ users table. As you can see, the recently added record with ID. In the next step, we will use this ID in user_ID field. Select database name _ user meta table and click on Insert. Enter the ID of the user which we have created in previous query. In the meta key text box, enter the database name _ capabilities. In our case, meta key is this. In the meta value text box, add this code. Again, in this section, enter the user ID. In the meta key text box, enter database name _ user _ level. In our case, meta key is this. In the meta value text box, enter the value as 10. Click on Go. Now, follow the steps to check the newly added admin user in WordPress. Log in to WordPress with a newly created username and password. Click on Users. As you can see, the newly created username with administrator role. That's how you can add an admin user to the WordPress database from phpMyAdmin. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Give a thumbs up if you found it useful. Reach out to us on this email ID for any of your technical queries.